Hey guys, check this out. Today is Sunday, August 5th, 2012, and I now have this. It's an all-electric Bug. It's actually a 75 Volkswagen Beetle that was converted to electric. Let me do a quick walk around. The man that converted this did a wonderful, wonderful job. And if you guys have seen any of my earlier YouTube videos, you've probably seen them before. Alright, got the back hood open. There's a look at the electric motor. And two of the 13 batteries that run the motor. And there's I don't know if it's hard to see, but there's 5 more. And then there's 2 more under this seat. And then as we go under the front hood, 4 more. And there's a charger that charges the 13 batteries. Then it also has another battery that's completely separate that runs the car electrical system, and there's the charger for it. There's a look at the interior of the car. And let me try to get in here and show you. There's the amp gauge, the volts, and a data center. All nicely done. The challenge I have ahead of me now, because I am taking over the next stage of evolution for this car, is to breathe some life back into these batteries. Somewhere, while being in storage, some or hopefully not very many of these batteries have lost their charge. It's not taking a charge anymore. So what I've got to do is break all these batteries down and charge them individually and see which ones are good and which ones aren't, and go from there and see if I can breathe some life back into this car. And what I'm going to do is make some videos along the way and take you guys with me. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching.